Welcome to the October edition of Around the Market. Hi everyone, here's a quick overview of the key support and resistance levels for the coming weeks. And to finish, the Russell 2000 finally looks like it's breaking out. I'll show you how to spot outperforming stocks. Let's get started. European markets. The AEX. Starting new uptrend. Support 930 and 915. Resistance 950. The bell. Uptrend. Support 4725 and 4650. Resistance making a new all-time high. The CAC needs to break 8000 for a possible new uptrend. Support 7760 and 7650. Resistance 8000 and 8200. The DAX consolidating in time. Support 23,400 and 22,250. Resistance all-time high at 24,500. The MIP uptrend. Support 41,500 and 40,500. Resistance 43,000 and 49,000. The IBEX uptrend. Support 15,000 and 14,600. Resistance all-time high at 16,000. US markets. The SPY uptrend. Support 655 and 645. Resistance making a new all-time high. The cubes uptrend. Support 585 and 560. Resistance making a new all-time high. The IWM uptrend. Support 237 and 230. Resistance all-time high of 245. The SMH uptrend. Support 310 and 300. Resistance making a new all-time high. The USO still in a broad sideways pattern. Support 72 and 69. Resistance 77 and 80. The GDX uptrend. Support 72 and 67. Resistance making all-time high. Technical analysis. The SPY broke above the resistance from late 2021 in January 2024 And in July, it also cleared the resistance from early 2025. Now, the IWM is finally trying to push through those same levels from 2021 and 2024. So, let's look for companies in the Russell 2000 already trading above last year's levels. With TopLab, I search for companies with a performance of more than 20% over the past year. That gives me a list of 545 stocks. You can review those companies manually or apply your own indicators to filter them down and create a focused follow-up list. Voila! Thanks for watching the monthly review. For more frequent updates, check out our weekly spotlights. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay on top of market trends. See you next time.